Hey everybody, this is a real quick video. In case you have Anker Soundcore Space Q45 wireless Bluetooth headphones and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. You want to do this basically for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If these headphones are not connecting to your phone or other device, or if they're not pairing with Bluetooth or syncing with Bluetooth, a factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now, if you decide you can't get them working and you just want to get a new set of headphones, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to a good set of headphones at a good price. But anyways, the second reason you might want to do this is if for whatever reason you just want to delete all of the pairing history and everything like that so that you can set these headphones up as a brand new set of headphones. It's really easy to do. All we need to do is come and find the power button on the one ear cup and the volume up button on the other one, and we're just going to press and hold both of those simultaneously for about 5 seconds. Basically, you're just going to hold it until the indicator light flashes red 3 times. That will indicate to you, once it's flat here, that will indicate that the headphones have been completely reset, at which point you can just pair these and set them up like they're coming out of the box new.